Okay, this is the area and volume common assessment corrections. Look at question number 1. The diagram below shows a net for a square pyramid. What is the lateral surface area of the pyramid? So if you remember, lateral surface area is everything but the base. So in this case, we do not need the square. We do not need this length. But we do need the lateral surface area. And if you remember how to find the area of a triangle, it is area equals 1/2 base times height. The base is 6. The height of the triangle is 8. Okay, half of 6 is 3, and 3 times 8 is 24. So the area of each triangle is 24 centimeters squared. So then this is 24, this is 24, and this is 24. To find the lateral surface area, you need to do 24 times 4. So 4 times 4 is 16, 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 96 centimeters squared. D. Okay, let's go to question number 2. Question number 2. It says the composite figure below contains a square, a rectangle, 2 equal parts for a circle. All right, so which is the closest to the area of the figure? Well, the square is area equals base times height, which is 8 times 8, which is 64 centimeters squared. Okay, then we have the rectangle. The rectangle is area equals base times height. 8 times 3 is 24 centimeters squared. Now we need to do the area of the circle. So to do the area of the circle, if you remember, we have an RDCA table. So the radius is 3. And if you want to fill out the rest, 3 times 2 is 6, 6 times 3 is 18. But we don't need the 6 and the 18 right now. To find the area, we're going to do radius times 3. 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27. But that's if we had a full circle. And we have 2 quarter circles. So the 2 quarter circles would add up to half a circle. We need to do 27 divided by 2. We go in there once. We go in there 3 times. Decimal, decimal, 0. 2 can go into 10 5 times. So the area of the half circle is 13.5 centimeters squared. I need to add up 64, 24, and 13 and 5/10. Okay, when I do that, I have 5/10. I have 8, 9, 10, 11, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 101.5 centimeters squared, which is closest to 102. All right, let's go to question number 3. The diagram below is a scale drawing of a building and the parking lot outside of the building. What is the area of the parking lot? All right, we are going to find the area of the large rectangle. So we have area equals base times height. We're going to do 22.5 times 16.5. So off to the side, we're going to multiply. So 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11. Put a placeholder. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 3 is 15. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 1 is 13. All right, then we got to go into the third row, put two placeholders. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. We're going to add it up. We have 5, 2, 11, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 3. We have to add in the decimal point. 1D plus 1D is 2D. So the area of the entire thing is 371 and 25 hundredths. Now, to find the area of the building, this is base times height, which is 12 times 12, which is 144. We just want this shaded area of the parking lot. So what we need to do is subtract the total area minus the building. So when we subtract, we have 5, 2, we're going to borrow. This is 7, this is 2, and this is 2. So we have 227 and 25 hundredths. Okay, let's go to question number 4. The second story of a barn has the shape of a triangular prism. Which of the following is the closest to the volume of the loft? Well, if you remember, we have our T-chart. In our T-chart, we have the area of the base. The base is a triangle. So the area is 1/2 base times height. This is a prism, so its volume equals the area of the base times the height of the prism. Looking at my base is the triangle. And so I'm going to say 1/2 of 12 is 6. And 6 times 5 is 30. So the area of the base is 30. 30 times the height of the prism, which is 25. So I multiply 25 times 30. We have 0. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. We have 750 meters cubed. Okay, flip to the back side. Okay, question number 5. The volume of the triangular pyramid is 464 cubic units. The area of the base of the pyramid is 58 square units. What is the height of the pyramid? Well, we're going to be working backwards, but we have the area of the base. The base of this is a triangle. 1/2 base times height. It's a pyramid, so volume equals 1/3 the area of the base times the height of the pyramid. Well, it tells you that the area of the base is 58. So we can just put in 58 here. So we're going to say 1/3 of 58 times the height, we don't know, equals 464. All right, unfortunately, 58 and 3 do not simplify. So top times top, bottom times bottom. Well, we have to get rid of the 58 thirds, so we're going to divide both sides by 58 thirds. Remember, this will cancel out. Okay, when you divide a whole number by a fraction, there was this saying called keep it, flip it, change it. So keep it, flip it, change it. 464 times 3/58. All right, so I'm going to do top times top, bottom times bottom. So 464 times 3. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 6 is 18. Plus 1 is 19. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. All right, so we have 1,392 divided by 58. All right, so 1,392 divided by 58. It's going to go in there 2 times. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 5 is 10. Plus 1 is 11. Subtract. And we're going to try to go in there 4 times. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 5 is 20. Plus 3 is 23. So we're looking at a height, H equals 24 units. B. Okay, let's go to, well, I'm probably going to stop the video and I'll do the second half of the test. Okay.